What's going on if you're somebody that doesn't like your job and you're trying to find a way out, or you're just trying to find a way to make some extra money on the side? You might want to check what I'm doing out. I'm about to show everything to you for free. Check this out. Okay, so the reason why I got started with this, and this is affiliate marketing program, right? So I was seeing people getting results like this, and like this, and like this, and like this, and I was like, what are they doing? I got to join this program and actually try to put it to work and get some results. And now what I'm about to do is show you for free how it works and how you can get started and how you can start getting results. Results are not typical, all right. Results are not guaranteed; they are earned. So I just wanted to put that out there also. But the name of this program is Exitus Elite, right? So all you do is basically you send people to this page, they watch this video, and if they have questions, they call this phone number, or they just follow up with you, and they teach you how to follow up with people without having to close sales and stuff like that. And if that person is ready, they're gonna join, right? Now the actual what Exitus Elite is it's an online e-learning platform, and it's actually we sell personal development software and personal development training, and basically each level of the personal development library is called the Genesis library, and each level pays you a different commission, right, depending on what level you join at, right? And the reason why I'm excited about this program is because it used to be where you would have had to pass up your first sale as a qualifying sale in order to start making money at the level that you join at. But they cut that part of the program out. Now, as soon as you join and as soon as you get started, you can start making money and start reselling whatever level you come in on, right? And these are the levels. So the basic levels are G100 and G250, all right? And you make $100 on this G100 level, you make $250 on the G250 level, right? And then there's the advanced levels, which are G500, G1000, and G2000. Okay, I joined at the G2000 and the reason why is because I wanted to be able to make as much commission as possible. So what happens is whichever level you join on, that's where you are capped at making commission. So let's say you join at G250, right? But you bring me in and I joined at G2000. Well, you only make $250, and that the rest of that $2,000 goes up to the next person above you that is qualified at the G2000 level, right? So that's basically in a nutshell how this compensation plan works. It's very, very straightforward. There's no monthly fees. You pay a one-time fee. You're going to pay an admin fee, right? So when I joined, I paid an admin fee of $399, and then I paid $2,000 to purchase my G2000 product level, right? Now I can resell this G2000 product level over and over and over again, right? I don't have to worry about passing anything up, and you can do the exact same thing. And not only that, when you join at the G2000 level, you can earn at all of the other levels underneath you, okay? And if you bring someone in and they join at a lower level than you're at, you get pass up sales, or not pass up sales, you get override sales when someone that they bring in joins at a level that is higher than them. So like again, if you joined at G2000 and you have a member that you are a customer, a member that you brought in that only joined at a G100 level, right? But this G100 person went out and sold a G2000 package, you're gonna get a $1,900 override because that G100 member was only able to make $100 on that $2,000 sale. So I hope that makes sense. It's very straightforward, right? And like I said before, this is personal development. It's a personal development software platform that we're reselling, right? Personal development is like a $6 billion industry, so there's always people looking for this. But if you're in affiliate marketing or network marketing or something like that, this is perfect because, like I said, there's no monthly fees. You pay one time and then you're done. You don't have to pass anything up. The only thing that basically you're also able to get overrides, right? If you join at a higher level than, let's say, the member that you brought in. But if I were you, I would actually only join at the G2000 level, just because you get the most bang for your buck. Now, if you do join at a lower level, you can always upgrade later. You just have to pay the difference. So that's another good thing about this program. With other programs, you would have to join again at whatever level you want to upgrade to. So if you joined at the G100 but you wanted to upgrade to G2000, you would just have to pay $1,900, and then you're qualified to G2000, because that was the difference, right? So like I said before, that's in a nutshell what this program is all about. It's very simple. Underneath this video, there's going to be information where you can get access to all of the like the capture page and all that stuff. If you want to join with me, or you could just, you see my phone number down there, just send me a text message. And excuse me, before I get into the back office, I set it up so that you can actually split the payments up. So like for instance, the $500 level, you got 4 payments of $125, or G2000 is 4 payments of $500. So you get any level that you need to get in at. There's a payment plan if you need it. I can show you how to set this up too. I use Square to do it, but the actual admin, the owner of the program, the company, actually showed us how to do this. And there's weekly webinars every Wednesday, just about every Wednesday, where he comes on and does training and helps you build the business, right? So you always have help with this. Not only can I help you, but they can help you too, the actual company itself. So this is the back office here, right? These are the different, I was going to show you this is the marketing suite. So you're going to get capture pages and a full marketing system within this. They also follow up via email for you, and yeah, they close the sales for you, right? Like if someone calls this phone number and has questions, they're going to answer their questions, and then they're going to get these people ready to buy, right? You just have to, you split the, like, you have to give them 20% of the commission, but that's fair because they did the work for you to get the sale, right? They're just going to answer the questions for you, and then that person will purchase and join with you, right? Let me show you the Genesis library. So these are the Genesis packages, or Genesis products here. These are different personal development video training modules and stuff like that. So you can use these for yourself, or you can just resell them, right? This is the G1000. This one right here, the Village, I went through this one here. It talks about how to attract things into your life, stuff like that. It's good training, and one of the most powerful trainings that I went through was actually at the G100 level. It's this this section here about closing techniques and stuff like that when you're on the phone with people. Like, it's very straightforward stuff, but it's very powerful stuff as well. So they did a good job of putting stuff in here that actually will help people. It's not just something that they threw together, right? And there's also an Exitus hub where you can learn more marketing strategies and stuff. But when you get inside there, you can take a look at that stuff. I just wanted to show you this. There's also an advertising section where they show you how to get leads. Now, if you join with me, I'm going to show you how to get 50 leads for free that are already looking to join a home business. I'll show you all that stuff in a second, or not in a second, but when you actually get started. I'm looking for here it is. This is the advertising section. So all you gotta do is pick a lead source, stick to it, and just drive traffic to your system, and they will do the work for you. They're gonna close the sales for you when they call that phone number. If you turn on the option for them to close sales for you, or you could just do it yourself. You just follow up with people. It's very simple. You just have a conversation. You're not calling like blind leads or nothing like that. They're gonna reach out to you, and then you just let them know, or answer their questions, and get them started. And if you basically any program that you're gonna actually want to join and start promoting, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to learn how to build an audience, right? And build people that you can sell stuff to, right? People that are targeted, people that like you, that know, like, and trust you, and are willing to buy from you, right? Underneath this video, I got a $10 ebook where I teach you all that stuff that I did in order to start generating leads and building an audience without having to post on TikTok and Instagram every single day. Like, that stuff it works, but I didn't want to do that stuff. I show you how to do it very quickly using email marketing. So if that's something that would interest you, click that underneath the video, and it's only $10. You can't beat that. But yeah, that's it for this video. Like, just get started. If you got questions, send me a text message or just click the link, go through the sales funnel, and I'll be able to answer any questions that you got. But this right here is basically, if you are looking for some like a way to make extra income on the side, this is something that's perfect, because you only pay it one time and then you can make money forever. Like, you just got to do it. You just got to work the business, because nothing gonna happen unless you put in work. But yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know if you got questions. Take care. God bless. I'll see you on the next one. Watch the next video that pops up on the screen. It's gonna help you out. All right, peace.